First of the season asparagus is here, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy side dish that will go with anything this coming summer. For our recipe today, we're going to be needing 1 pound of asparagus. This is kind of in between the pencil asparagus and the jumbo. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 whole lemon. I'm going to be using the zest and the juice for this. 2 tablespoons of Calabrian chili. Link in the description to get your own. And some aged Gouda. If you can't find aged Gouda, you can easily swap it out for some Pecorino or some Parmesan. First trick, you've probably seen this 100 times. We're just gonna grab about here and here, and you're gonna give it a snap. There we go. So that's the woody part you don't wanna eat, and that is the edible part. So we're gonna line up all of our asparagus with the one we broke, cut right across. All this is trash, or you can use it for a soup. For our recipe today, I don't want whole pieces of asparagus. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut about 3 pieces out of each asparagus. Next up, our garlic. I do buy pre-peeled garlic sometimes. Sometimes it's necessary. You don't have time to peel a bunch of garlic. For our garlic, I'm using this guy. This is by Joseph & Joseph. It is a microplane that has two pieces on it. A little microplane area right here, and then a slicer specifically for garlic at the top. So pop the top off, drop our garlic clove in there, flat. Beautiful big pieces of garlic sliced. Quick, easy, and dishwasher safe. Now we're gonna make a quick vinaigrette using our Calabrian chilies, olive oil, and lemon. We'll start by adding in our Calabrian chili, our 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now for our lemon. So we're gonna take our lemon and just pull across, rotating as you do. You want as little pith as possible, the white part. It's very bitter. If you come across any blemishes like that, go around it. This lemon's a little bit smaller than a baseball. It's gonna be the perfect size. And we're just gonna scoop all of our lemon zest down in there. Gonna get about ounce and a half out of these lemons that are really big and juicy. Add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a good stir, make sure everything's nice and incorporated with each other. All our mise en place is done, so let's get cooking. These next few steps go by very, very quickly, so there's no time to walk away. Got my hex-clad pan here on top of my Breville Control Freak. Links for both in the description below. We're gonna set the Control Freak to 350 degrees and just about 2 teaspoons of oil. Okay, our pan is nice and hot. Drop in our asparagus. Do not get rid of your bowl, set it aside. We're gonna need that in a few minutes. Give it a toss. Right when our asparagus starts to brighten up and get nice and green, dump in our garlic. Hit it with a small pinch of salt. Don't put too much salt because we're adding our cheese afterwards. At this point, we're just going to cook until our garlic caramelizes. Right now, we just want to keep on stirring and mixing because we don't want our garlic to burn. Right, all of our garlic is cooked. We're going to kill the heat and transfer it to our bowl. Dump everything into our bowl here. Drizzle our vinaigrette over it. Give that a quick toss. Make sure everything is nice and coated. It's gonna be fresh, spicy, garlicky. Make a nice big pile here and finish off with our Gouda. Now a taste test. It's gonna be super garlicky and fresh and spicy and cheesy. That Calabrian chili comes through, nice and hot. Calabrian chili hits you back here, on the back of the tongue, and right on the tip of your tongue. The asparagus is nice and tender, crunchy. The aged Gouda adds all the salt we need to it. Just need some bread on the side to soak up all this extra oil. This dish is quick and easy, maybe 15 minutes from start to finish. If you want to check out some more of my side dishes, click right here. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.